Okay, this is another suggestion from Centurion. This is Locksmith, 5 Fingers of Death Freestyle on Sway in the Morning. I like Locksmith. Let's see. Let's keep this going. If you like the song, link's going to be in the description below. Go give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you feel like it. This is coming from Sway's universe. And if you're feeling generous, I'm not saying you have to, but it would definitely help me with the algorithm if you click that button underneath my face. Anyway, let's do this.
See, I'm kind of tall.
It's a training session, man. Training session. Make sure I'm in the shot, because this is going to go viral. 5 Fingers of Death.
So 5 different beats.
5 different beats. You can do 5 different styles. Sway in the Morning, DJ What on the 1s and 2s. Shade 4, 5 Fingers of Death.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, check it out. Look, niggas sleeping on me and critics just overlook me. Finally let my talent speak and look at where it took me. People wrote me off for the simple fact that my region, Sylvia Rohn told me don't mention the Bay whenever you speaking. And it's nothing personal, it's nurseable, use your versatile. Style in your words and flow is a purpose to breach the surface, so I did what I did to make it acceptable, to force feed you fucks and sprinkle sugar on these vegetables. Now it's digestible, time to learn a crucial lesson. Most of the dudes you reppin' deafen when they scruples lessen. You know the usual texting, verbally abusive, reclusive haters manipulate favors and try to reduce your blessings. But here's a true confession, I'm through ingesting the foolish guessing you dudes and dudes, whether it's food or tube injections. I see your true complexion clear to me and fear of me. You propagate hate to compensate for your insecurities. I'm everything that you rap niggas appear to be. You content with this world, but it's nothing more.
Am I wrong? Is he not white? Is Locksmith not white? Like, why does he feel so comfortable using that word? Like, if he's not white, someone tell me. But he looks white. He looks white.
More than a sphere to me. Conspiracies and satiric seeds in the ears of these kids, planted by fear and greed, is meant to make them pierce and bleed. But seriously, I'm a lion, you are dear to me. I'm never selling out, my lyricism is dear to me. Dear bitch nigga, please stand clear of me. We not in the same lane and you don't move in the same gear as me. I'm on a whole nother landscape, go make you a dance tape. I can tell you a man's fake by his handshake.
Ooh. 5 Fingers of Death. Don't stop, Locksmith. It's time to rock. Shade 4, 5.
Yeah.
Let's go,
Yo. Okay, you gonna bounce on them a little bit? Yo.
Tidbit. Roll MC.
I'm riding, I'm getting it. My metaphors are so vivid. I eat MCs, delete weak MCs, and just beat MCs with my lyrics. Y'all niggas sipping them spirits, too busy spitting them lyrics. I spit this here for my hemisphere, and I've been this here, and that's physics. I'm lyrically illegible, knock you off your pedestal. You be sucking dick for fame, your fate is inevitable. You say that you reputable, you pay to get records on board. Fucked around with Locksmith, now you lay in the medical ward. I gotta laugh at him. I swear to God, Sway, I ain't mad at him. The nerve of these niggas that think I jabbed at them. They out they mind like a mad hatter. Pissing on these rappers like a bad bladder. Urinal flow. You gotta check with me and Sway whenever you're in the O. A bitch get it down for me? That's a miracle, ho. Bald-headed bitch, I think you need some miracle grow. All right, look.
Beat number 3, Shade 4, 5. I like that. You kept the flow going.
Yo, we gotta keep the flow going, you know?
You gotta catch the BPM up here, baby.
All right, let that roll.
Sway in the Morning.
Look.
Locksmith.
Okay. Man, this is a weird little beat right here.
I have faith in you.
Drum line beat.
We put you to test. Find it.
What the hell? What the hell is the beat?
Find it.
You gotta let the drums kick in. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Look, here we go.
You got it?
Listen.
He's locked in.
Listen. I don't want from being doubted and outed as being less than the peers that would appear to take credit for my success, but I outcasted, outlasted, outclassed the cynics, and I use my will and drive as a method to breach their limits. In the midst of a manslaughter, I pray. I don't want to be around all they say often is often. All niggas do is argue and await my time in the sun, rhyming for none. So much pain, but I find what I've done. Finding, climbing out of this bullshit's hard, but I found done. I made it from the slum that I grew from. Opportunities knocking, be prepared when it do come. You can say that I'm crazy, you can say that I'm foolish, you can say it's a blessing, depending on how you view it. But I made my mark, I put it down, though haters they would despise. Bitches that used to diss me like, nigga, you smell like fries. Now they working at fries, now I stay in the sky. All the shit that I've been through, just happy to be alive.
Locksmith, hold up. I'll give him that. Hold him down. He locked.
All right. Gotta give him credit on that, because that beat would have been that's almost impossible to put anything over. That is almost impossible to spit something over. I have to give him some extra credit for that.
Locked in.
Yo.
He got locked in. Sway in the morning, real MCs. 2 more beats to go. 5
2 more
fingers of
beats.
death. It's number 4.
Yo.
Shade 4-5. The album is Labyrinth.
Check it out. Listen.
IamBlock.com. Let's go. Come on.
They say my complex lyrics is my Achilles. A major label cancer that's forced to dance in the D-League. Believe or leave as I lead the meek through a besiege. Deep freeze of industry insecurities. We breathe, eat, sleep, lyrics, and feast. Please don't expect the leash. If you beat the tree, then you sweep leaves. Sweet Jesus, they leave us to these elite thieves. Deceive us and mislead us and feed us, squeeze us till we bleed. We teeth on the teats of our own nooses. Buckle as we suckle and suck for my own muses. Muted and ill-equipped with a Phillips tip to build a crypt. Still and strip, put a price on your hood like a dealership. Peel a bitch from a dude like an orange pill. Navigate my way through her cleft like Lauryn Hill. No one feels you a threat until you bubble. So I'ma keep the faith and just make my way through the rubble.
Oh! Locksmith, ladies and gentlemen. 5 fingers of death. Sway in the morning. Shade 4-5. 26 minutes past the top. Yo, last beat. Beat number 5.
Yo.
That's Shade 4-5.
Let's go ahead and do it then.
Marshall Mathers, you
Listen.
listening? Let's go.
Quick to call it a classic and hopes to wow you. They throw around the term so much that it's lost its value. Sex, money, women, and gimmicks I never bow to. So how you survive in this game where they don't allow you to be the person that you choose to be? It used to be the norm for a new musician to grow musically. You can see I'm using my views and the truth is fueling me. They stupidly accuse me of doing the crime to muting me. But I'm lyrically in the zone. How can I watch the throne? I'm busy building my own. How can I sit around and watch another nigga boast? When you worship another person, you stunting your own growth. Was close to quitting, the focus is on restriction. I open myself up to an oaks of no tradition. The sole conviction of folks is the sole decision why these niggas never grow, but I try to show them my vision.
Hey! Shade 4-5. I was gonna sing a chorus on that, baby. I almost had the chorus for you.
Yeah.
Sway in the morning, man. Locksmith.
That's good. I'm still wondering, is he not white? I'm pretty sure he's white. It takes, like, that might be something you can get away with in Europe, but you can't come over here. He better. Yeah, I'm sure that he has to have something not white in him for Sway not to have just turned around and smacked him upside the head for that. But it was good freestyle. I'm still not sure that this beats Harry Mack. I really do believe that Harry Mack is probably the single greatest freestyler on earth. But Lock does have he's got talent. He's got talent. I'm sorry, Centurion. I'm never going to say this man's my GOAT. I'm sorry. I'm not going to judge you for your GOAT. I don't care who is whoever's GOAT. You know, everybody's going to have a different one. I'm still Team Webby, Centurion. I'm still Team Webby. But yeah, that was really good. Link's going to be in the description below. Go get the video, one of these. Help them with the algorithm. You know, while you're here, if you're feeling generous, I mean, there's a button underneath my face and it helps me with the algorithm too. But yeah, until next time, be notorious.